G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal in nice hard material, so it should polish up nice. It's got seams of opal in it. I don't know how far they go or how good they will be, and that's part of the gamble, but people are asking for this sort of material so they can have a go at maybe making extra or losing out. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white that you can see is the reflections. Basically what it is seam of opal running through there. Just wipe the water off now. You can see through there, and there's a trace of it through there to the other side. So you're going to have to cut this off and then face this side down until you get to the stone. What you're going to get, who knows. Same with this. Whether it's off the same piece or not, I don't know. But again, there's the line of colour. Possibly that one. It's hard to know till you grind down, but this is going to be the bottom, in that's natural concave, unless you want to make it a convex. Sorry, make it a natural convex rather than concave. And then the last piece, similar. Eye of opal in the middle there, in the middle of that nut. How far you can see it goes down here. Whether it peters off, that's the end of it there, don't know. Again, there's a mark of opal there, but I don't think that goes anywhere. There's another seam that's there that's open, but it's getting towards the outside of the stone. It's hard material, so it should polish into good stones. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.